हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लिटरेचरशिप। आज की इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे ले हंट, जिनकी टाइमलाइन है 1784 टू 1859। डेट ऑफ बर्थ है इनकी 19 अक्टूबर 1784, लंदन इंग्लैंड में इनका बर्थ हुआ। डेट ऑफ डेथ है इनकी 28 अगस्त 1859, लंदन इंग्लैंड में इनकी डेथ हुई। इनका फुल नेम है जेम्स हेनरी ले हंट। He was an English critic, essayist and poet, novelist and a journalist. His spouse was Marianne Kent, जिनके साथ इनकी मैरिज हुई 1808 में and she died in 1857. Hunt co-founded The Examiner, a leading intellectual journal expounding radical principles. It was a radical journal and published in 1808. He was the center of the Hampstead-based group. Hampstead-based group एक सर्कल था जिनके ये सेंटर थे, मीन्स कि ये मेन मेंबर थे, दैट इंक्लूडेड विलियम हैजलिट एंड चार्ल्स लैम्ब, नोन एज द हंट सर्कल। इनकी जो पोएम्स थी पब्लिश्ड अंडर द टाइटल जुवेनिलिया। In 1807 he wrote for newspaper and published a volume of theatre criticism and a series of classic tales with critical essays on authors. Hunt's early essays were published by Edward Quinn, जो कि एडिटर थे, ऑनर थे द ट्रैवलर के, जो 1808 में पब्लिश हुआ था। इसके बारे में हमने पीछे भी पढ़ा था। इन 1813 थ्रू हिज न्यूज़पेपर ही अटैक्ड प्रिंस रेजेंट। प्रिंस रेजेंट को इन्होंने एक न्यूज़पेपर में अटैक किया था 1813 में, जिसके कारण इनको प्रोसिक्यूशन हुई एंड सेंटेंस ऑफ 2 years. A number of essays were written between 1814 and 1817 in the Examiner under the series titled The Round Table, published in 2 volumes and in 1817, in which 12 essays were by Hunt and 40 essays were by Hazlitt. In 1810 to 11, he edited a quarterly magazine, The Reflector. In this, he wrote The Feast of the Poets, which offended many contemporary poets. 1819 to 1821, he edited The Indicator, a weekly magazine था, which was published by Joseph Appleyard. 1816 में इन्होंने एक ऐसा वर्क लिखा, स्टोरी ऑफ रिमिनी, जिसके कारण ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेमस हुए। ये बेस्ड था ट्रेजिक एपिसोड्स ऑफ फ्रांसिस्का डा रिमिनी के, जो कि दांते की इन्फर्नो, जो इसका सोर्स रहा है, वहां से लिया गया है। इन 1818 appeared a collection of poems entitled Foliage. In 1819 appeared Hero and Leander, Bacchus and Ariadne. He published a book, Poetical Works, that contains his 2 works. इन्होंने एक बुक पब्लिश करी, Poetical Works, जिसमें इनके 2 वर्क्स थे, द स्टोरी ऑफ रिमिनी, द डिसेंट ऑफ लिबर्टी। इनका एक ग्रुप था हंट सर्कल और हैम्पस्टेड सर्कल, जिसमें ले हंट, विलियम हैजलिट और चार्ल्स लैम्ब थे। सम पॉपुलर हंट पोएम्स आर जेनी किस्ड मी, अबू बेन एदम, A Night Rain in Summer. In 1828, he published Lord Byron and some of his contemporaries. He also wrote London Journal. He also edited Monthly Repository. The original title of Jenny Kissed Me is Rondeau. The story of Rimini is based on the tragic episode of Francisca da Rimini. In 1822, a political journal, The Liberal, was published along with Byron, Leigh and P.B. Shelley. The Indicator, 1819 to 1821, it was a periodical journal. It was weekly, and he edited this journal, and the publisher was Joseph Appleyard. The Companion, 1828, written by Leigh, Hunt and Clark. It was a weekly periodical. He wrote about books and theatrical production in it. He has friendship with Wordsworth, John Keats, P.B. Shelley, Charles Lamb, William Hazlitt, Robert Browning, Lord Tennyson, Lord Byron. चार्ल्स डिकन का एक वर्क था ब्लीक हाउस, जिसमें उनका एक कैरेक्टर था हैरोल्ड स्किम्पोल। उन्होंने कहा था कि इस कैरेक्टर की जो सिमिलैरिटीज हैं, ये बिल्कुल जो कैरेक्टर है ले हंट की तरह है। इट वॉज सेड बाय चार्ल्स डिकन्स ओनली। Blackwood Magazine 1817 coined the term Cockney School of Poetry, a group of degraded writers which includes Shelley, Keats, Hunt and Hazlitt. Cockney School of Poetry, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, degraded writers को ये indicate करता है। Famous works by Leigh Hunt are Juvenilia 1801, which was a collection of poems, The Round Table series of essays, Volume 2, The Story of Rimini 1816, long poem है, इसकी source है Dante's Inferno, and it was based on the tragic episodes of Francisca da Rimini. Foliage 1818, a collection of poems, A Thought of Neil 1818, Hero and Leander 1819, Bacchus and Ariadne 1819, Jenny Kissed Me 1838, original title Rondeau, Abu Ben Edom 1834, fable like poem है ये, Sir Ralph Asher and the Town. They both were novels by Leigh Hunt and published in 1834 and 1848 respectively. So this was all about Leigh Hunt. I hope you like it. If so, please do like, share and subscribe my channel for such videos. Thank you for watching this.